Okay, coming to question number 11. Okay, exercise 9.1, page number 204, question number 11. Okay, figure is already given in the for this question. Okay, so you can refer figure 9.12. A TV tower stands vertically on the bank of a canal. From a point on the other bank directly opposite the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degree, and from another point 20 meters away from this point on line joining this point to the foot of the tower, angle of elevation of top of tower is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower and the width of the canal. So basically it is the figure. TV tower stands vertically on the bank of the canal. So AB is TV tower. Okay. From a point on the other bank directly opposite to the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 20 degree. Other bank here. Okay. So this is 60 degree. This is 30 degree. This is 20 meters. Okay. And this is the height of the tower. So find the height of the tower and width of the canal. So we have to find AB. Okay. So for finding AB, AB is height of the tower, that is AB. Okay. So first of all, we'll put in triangle ABC. Actually, जो हमको डिस्टेंसेस फाइंड करने हैं वो परपेंडिकुलर और बेस से ही रिलेटेड है, हाइपोटेनियस से रिलेटेड नहीं है. सो वी विल नॉट बी यूजिंग cos थीटा एंड हाइपोटेनियस इज आल्सो नॉट नोन. सो वी विल बी यूजिंग tan थीटा ओनली. इन ट्रायंगल ABC, tan 60 degree equals to perpendicular by base. We have to find basically the width of the canal also. That means BC also we have to find, and we have to find height of the tower, that is AB also we have to find. Okay. Now the AB and BC are related by tan theta only, perpendicular by base. So for in triangle ABC will be putting tan theta. Tan 60 degree is √3. AB is H and BC is X. In triangle ABD, tan 30 degree is equal to perpendicular upon base is BD. H and BD is X plus 20. Tan 30 is 1 by √3. 1 by √3 is H upon X plus 20. Okay. Now when two quantities are unknown, हम दोनों ही इक्वेशन से किसी एक चीज की वैल्यू फाइंड करके उनको इक्वेट कर देंगे. सो विल फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ H from both the equations. From here equation 1, H is X √3 and here H is X plus 20 by √3, and will equate them. Okay. So instead of writing this as equation 1, we can write equation 1 this, and instead of writing this we can write this. Now equating 1 and 2, both are H only. So X √3 equals to X plus 20 upon √3. So this is equal to 3x equals to X plus 20. 3x minus X equals to 20, or 2x equals to 20. X equals to 10 meters. Okay. So first X was width of the canal, that is 10 meters. We have to find the height of the tower. Height of the tower from equation 1 is X √3. Okay. So H equals to 10 √3. This is the height of the tower. This is the width of the canal. Okay. So this is solution of question number 11. Everybody can go through this solution and ask me any doubt if you have. From the top of 7-meter high building, the angle of elevation of top of cable tower is 60 degree and angle of depression of foot is 45 degree. Determine the height of the tower. Okay, so there is a building, 7-meter high building, and there is a tower. Okay, now this is a 7-meter tall building and that is tower. From the top of 7-meter high building, the angle of elevation of the top of cable tower, angle of elevation of the cable tower is 60 degree. So this angle is 60 degree. Okay, and from the same point, the angle of depression of the foot of the tower, angle of depression of the foot of the tower. ये tower है. If this one is tower, so this is top and this is foot. अब इसी पॉइंट से एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन मतलब हॉरिजॉन्टल से ये एंगल बनेगा, ये होगा 45 डिग्री. ओके, नाउ इफ दिस एंगल इज 45 डिग्री, दिस एंगल इज आल्सो 45 डिग्री. दिस आर alternate interior angles. Okay,
Net interior angle.
so suppose this is we have to find the height of the tower. So here what is unknown? CE is unknown. Okay, so first of all, in triangle ABE, okay, if we know perpendicular, we can find base. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
so tan 45 degree or
EB on B.
1 minute. Instead of doing this, we can start from that also. In triangle ACD, tan 60 degree. Tan 60 degree is equal to perpendicular upon base. Okay. Then tan 60 is √3. CD we don't know and AD also we don't know. Okay. Then in triangle ABE, tan 45 degree, okay, is equal to perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is 7, base is unknown. Tan 45 is 1. So 1 equals to 7 upon BE or BE equals to 7. Okay. अब from figure AD is equal to BE. Okay. And AB equals to DE. Okay. तो DE की वैल्यू तो है 7 meters. इतना 7 meters है. B is 7. So AD is also 7. Okay. Now when we'll substitute this value here, √3 equals to CD upon AD is 7. So CD is 7 √3. We are interested in finding CE. CE is CD plus DE. CD is 7 √3 and DE is 7. So ये हो जाएगा 7 into, or I'll write on next slide this thing. So CE equals to CD plus DE. CD is 7 √3 and DE is 7. So it is 7 into
7 plus
√3 plus 1 or 1 plus √3, same thing. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, this is the answer. As observed from the top of a 75-meter high lighthouse from the sea level, the angle of depressions of two ships are 30 degree and 45 degree. So basically there is a lighthouse. Its height is 75 meter. यहाँ से दो शिप देख रहे हैं on the same side. One ship is exactly behind the other on the same side. So the angle of depression of the ships are 30 degree and 45 degree. मतलब इस हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन से जो एंगल फॉर्म हो रहा है 30 डिग्री और 45 डिग्री. सो दिस विल बी 30 डिग्री एंड दिस विल बी 45 डिग्री. ओके, नाउ फाइंड द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन टू शिप्स. एक शिप यहाँ पे है, वन शिप इज हियर, अनदर शिप इज हियर. सो वी हैव टू फाइंड डिस्टेंस बिटवीन टू शिप्स. दिस इज ए, बी, सी एंड डी. ओके, नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अगेन एज वी आर, अब हम कैसे करेंगे इसको? ABC में अगर tan थीटा लगाएंगे तो परपेंडिकुलर पता है तो बेस पता चल जाएगा. इन ट्राइंगल ABD अगेन विल पुट tan थीटा, परपेंडिकुलर पता है बेस पता चल जाएगा. अगर BD पता है BC पता है तो CD will be their difference. So let us start. In triangle ABC, okay, tan 45 degree equals to perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is 75 meters. Base we don't know. Tan 45 is 1, so BC is 75. Okay. Then in triangle ABD, tan 30 degree is equal to perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. Perpendicular is 75 and base we don't know. So BD will be equal to 75 root 3. Now we have to find CD. CD is BD minus BC. BD is 75 root 3 and BC is 75. So it is 75 into root 3 minus 1. This is the answer. Meters also we have to write. Okay. Here in the beginning you can write, let AB be lighthouse of height 75 meter. C and D are ships. Okay. So in every question you have to write that what you are assuming and then you should proceed. Okay. Question number 14. A 1.2 meter tall girl spots a balloon moving with the wind in a horizontal line at a height of 88.2 from the ground. The angle of elevation of the balloon from the eyes of the girl at any instant is 60 degree. After some time, the angle of elevation reduces to 30 degree. Find the distance traveled by the balloon during the interval. So figure is already given. So here 1.2 meter tall girl and one balloon is here. After some times the balloon reaches here. When it is here, the angle of elevation is 60 degrees. Okay. And when it is here, the angle of elevation is 30 degrees. So this is 1.2 meters and this is 88.2 meters. So if this is 88.2, we'll subtract 1.2 meters from this. So ये हो जाएगा 87 meters because this is 1.2. Okay. Then naming all the points A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. Okay. This angle is 30 degree and this angle is 60 degree. Okay. Now, first of all, what we have to find? The distance between the balloon means B minus BC. Basically ये distance निकालना है हमको, ये distance, क्योंकि balloon यहाँ था, यहाँ से वो यहाँ चला गया, तो what is the distance? So CE we have to find. Okay, that is unknown. So first of all, we'll find BC, we'll find BE, and we'll subtract BE minus BC. That will be CE. So in triangle ABC, all description you have to write. Let A be the initial position of the balloon, B be the final position of the balloon, BF is the position of the girl, and then you have to proceed. Okay. So in triangle ABC, tan, again why using tan? Because perpendicular हमको पता है, D अगर 87 है तो AC भी 87 होगा. Okay. Just 2 minutes, let me explain them, then I am coming to you. So in triangle ABC, tan 60 degree equals to perpendicular by base. Tan 60 is root 3. AC is 87 and base is BC. In, or we can write it BC equals to 87 upon root 3. In triangle DBE, again tan, because perpendicular we know and base we have to find. So tan 30 degree equals to perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is 87 and base is unknown. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3, that is 87 upon B, or B is 87 root 3. Suppose this is equation 1, this is equation 2. We have to find CE. So CE is BE minus BC, and BE is 87 root 3. BC is 87 upon root 3. So we'll take 87, we can take outside first of all, and when we'll take LCM, it is root 3. So ये हो जाएगा root 3 into root 3, 3. Or I'll rewrite the first step. Then I'll take 87 outside. It is this way. Taking LCM. So root 3 is the LCM. Root 3 into root 3 is 3 minus 1. So 87 into 2 upon root 3. And again rationalizing. So multiplying by root 3 in numerator and denominator. This root 3 into root 3 will become 3. Cutting it, 3 2s are 6. 27 9. So that is equal to 58 root 3 meters. This is the answer.